Hi, I'm Merrie Jo Pitera. I'm CEO of Litigation Insights. Because jurors are always subject to new experiences and information, we're always watching their attitudes change over time. As a result, themes and methods that worked well for years can eventually lose their potency, and we as researchers find ourselves learning and adapting as they do. One major example is the disillusionment of jurors in recent years. For one, government standards don't hold the same persuasive power they used to. And back in the late 80s, when I first started, much of my work was related to automotive product liability. And back then, jurors would revere the government standards. So much so that if the car met the standards, it was going to be difficult to find against the car manufacturer on a defect claim. But in time, media reports emerged that publicized that government standards are actually minimum standards. Now, just meeting the standards isn't enough for jurors. They expect car manufacturers to exceed minimum standards when it comes to their safety. In a similar way, the fall of Enron was pivotal for jurors, who became much more suspect of the financial industry, and really corporations in general. But these continuous changes are kind of what make it all such a unique challenge. Clients can expect more than just meeting planners when working with us. We engage your case issues to identify the most challenging ambiguities that will be key jury issues. We then analyze jurors' feedback to develop a case narrative that closes the gap on those ambiguities, but is also compelling. We help you think like your audience, be it a jury, judge, or arbitrator. We're not a cookie-cutter company. We don't try to fit a set number of stock test designs to your case. Instead, we identify what you want to learn and then design the project around those specific goals. We think outside the box to get you the most meaningful results. When a client hires me, they're going to get a direct answer. Sometimes clients need to hear what they don't want to hear. And in the arena of research, if I'm telling the client what they want to hear, I'm helping them drink their own whiskey, and that's not helpful for them. They need to hear the tough message, and sometimes I have to deliver it.